traders, and just going to have a very quick look through these markets. Pound had this sort of hangman-like bar. We've now closed below the 8 and the 20 on the daily, and hangman bar on the weekly. On the weekly chart, we're coming down through the 8 after this retest of the 200. So I'm certainly not going to swing trade short it, but just to emphasise that it is nice and weak. Pound yen sold off today. It continued to drop after the main US session had finished. That is now looking very weak. The main euro pairs, euro yen. A lot of us are long the euro yen, and I have to say at the moment it's not looking great. There is a way you can hedge it though. If you are long this one, this is looking like a failure of 117.54. So if you're long that and you've got to hold your stop, you could go short this one. This is the Euro CAD. Major resistance in the weekly here. Could at least come down to 140 area. We're currently 142.87. We're good 200 points away from the 8. So if you short it, you'll need. I would short a move below 142.75, and you've got to have a stop up there at 143.68, and we're going to have a lot of support at 41.31. You could just ramp up your stop if we start to break down here, which path of least resistance would suggest it is very much to the downside, and see if we can fail the 8, because if we fail the 8 then you're coming right down to 139.60. Euro, yeah, if you long Euro US, I would, there was a case for actually taking your profits off at those highs. There's such a massive gap to the 8. If you're still in it, you've got a choice. You can put your stop below 45.34, which is a major support area, or just keep it right down below that support level there at 144. Up to you, your call. Euro pound is another short, very similar to Euro CAD. Massive gap to the 8 on that one. 88. Risk reward ratio is about the same on the Euro CAD, I think. Tighter spread on it if you prefer that. Just have a look at the Aussie US, and then we'll leave it there. It's under the trend line. So the dollar is looking as if it's showing some strength. Okay, there's the gap to the 8 in the dollar index, and there's the strength in the dollar. Let's look at gold. Gold is under a key trend line. It's sold off at that key area there. So if you're long this like me, then ramp your stop up. That's a key pivot area there. It's just above the 8, 15.39. That will still give me decent profits. So that's what I'm doing on that one. The oil, we are closing a key area. And not looking good. That's two lower closes now. The close below is main pivot area 99. You could go short a break of 98.12 with a stop of 190. We got the 200 EMA in the way. I doubt very much if that will hold now. After this sort of distribution pattern and failure of the 50, I doubt that will hold, but safer bet is to stay away from it, because of between the 50 and the 200 EMA, and wait for a close below that trend line, or wait for a close below 96.66. Alright, I hope that helps. See you in the next update.